Perfect. All the way up. Yeah, tunnel. Tunnel again. Mini tunnel. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm here with Chris. We're gonna do a little promo video for a hosted ride that we're planning on doing. We're not sure we're gonna do the hosted ride, but we're just gonna film it. And if we do the ride, I'll show you guys in a future video. But that's why we're out here right now in Mount Baldi. Film a little promo video. Check this out right here.
Wow.
So cool. Okay.
We're not.
Should we go like all the way up there? Let's see. Are we doing this open lot? Doesn't really matter here. Want to go up there? Oh my gosh, great.
Oh, you almost scraped.
Nah, don't do it. Nah, don't do it.
Go pretty sideways when you come off.
Yeah, I gotta go sideways. All right, let's go down to that open spot over there. Ah.
Yeah, let's go right.
Yeah, this is a nice little open area. Okay, let's do this. So I'm on my way right now to our Coachella ride meetup. It's right over here at the Ontario Mills. It's Friday, April 12th. Look, it's gloomy over here in Rancho Cucamonga. But if a lot of you guys don't know, the Coachella Valley Music Festival starts today, Friday. Fucking moron. But yeah, it starts today. And the Coachella Music Festival goes for like 2 weekends. So today's the first weekend. And that's why we decided to do this ride, because you know, it's just a fun thing. Everyone's gonna be over there for the music festival, a lot of celebrities too. And then we figured, like, let's just host a ride that goes right over there. But we're gonna be near Palm Springs. We're gonna ride to like Palm Desert, and then the concert is in Indio. It's not too far from there, so we might even make our way really close to it. But there's a lot of traffic and they close off a lot of roads. So I did a lot of research on what's gonna be open, what bars, restaurants that has live music. Like, I think it's gonna be packed, and it should be really fun. We're gonna cruise downtown Palm Springs. You'll get to see all that. But you know, I'm gonna be really nervous right here because this is our very first hosted ride, and I don't know how many people are gonna be over here. I'm gonna be super nervous if it's 50 or more people, but I doubt it. We're such a small group. I think we're just gonna get like a few people, which I'm cool with. I just want a few people to cruise with, and then we're gonna have a lot of fun. So yeah, it's just me and Chris hosting the ride, and everyone else from our group, they're all busy. All right, I met up here with Chris. He came right in time. We're here early at 10 a.m. and I went in, I grabbed a coffee. All right, this is our sweet little group here. We're gonna start heading out. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, so I'm gonna narrate this as we're riding down the freeway here, only because the sound of the freeway winds here is too loud, and I'll let you guys know what happened during this ride here. So during the meetup, we had 3 guys show up, and 2 of them are actually members of the channel here, and they watch my videos a lot. Shout out to them. Rex and his friend, I forget his other friend's name. Rex is on the Triumph Bobber, and his friend I think had an automatic motorcycle, which was pretty interesting. And then we had RJ on the Lowrider ST, so that was pretty cool. They came along. But during our hosted ride here, I was pretty specific on our flyer that we were going to be lane splitting through, and eventually I was going to fall back after like maybe half an hour into the ride and kind of film everyone ride. But then we started hitting some traffic and we were lane splitting through, and then I noticed we lost a guy, and it was Rex's friend on the automatic. And you know, Rex was cool enough, he kind of just came along with us all the way down to Palm Springs. And I didn't learn that until we stopped and parked in the parking lot, and he told me that his friend there, you know, just kind of turned around, went back. So I felt kind of bad about that. And it was our first hosted ride, so now we know how to deal with things in the future. I think I gotta like sweep the back and just go back and forth a lot just to check up on everyone. But I was glad that it was a small group. I don't know how I would handle it if it was like 10 or more people or so. Even though in our older videos you notice that we had over 10 people riding in our group, but the thing is, when you're friends and everything, like you just kind of, you know that everyone's gonna stick together, and you know how people ride in your group. And so when you're hosting a ride, you don't know how others are riding. So yeah, I was really grateful for these guys to come out. Really cool. So another mistake I made during this ride was that I didn't check on my GoPro. I had it recording the whole time we were riding the freeway, and it was recording for like an hour, and at one point it shut off on me and I didn't capture the part where we rode into Palm Springs. It was so awesome on that California 111 strip. It's just a really fun road, really fun ride. So I missed that, and I captured like all the guys riding, but it cut off. But yeah, shout out to Rex for sticking around. When we got there, Rex actually had to just turn back around, and he went all the way back. I think he was worried about his friend, but all good. Thanks to him for coming out. That was a really fun ride. And yeah, Rex, you're welcome to come back on future rides. I knew Palm Springs would be like kind of windy. Yeah. It gets more windy than that sometimes.
I feel like a damn bobblehead on the street.
Yeah.
Didn't know nothing.
The guy in the Beamer was like, just kept revving.
Oh, shade. In the Beamer?
We're here so early. No one's here. They have a stage though, but no band's playing right now. So we're just gonna play some pool, kick it for a bit, and then we'll hop to another spot. Pretty nice place. Cheers, cheers. Oh, nice. This is nice. Rooftop bar. How many of these are there? Oh no, I don't think that's hers.
That corn looks like it's handmade.
Oh, you got the flower one. Okay. This place has helmet hangers right here. So they are motorcycle friendly place right here.
Yeah, definitely. I didn't even think about that. And they're from Washington. Hey, you want to just go on the sidewalk?
Okay, yeah. Is he gonna go down there? Oh.
Turn around.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get a sick ass shot right here. Nice.
No, just take it from here.
It's too windy. I'm getting pushed back. Oh, it's so windy. Oh my gosh. I'm getting pushed. I'm getting pushed sideways. Wow. This is major wind. This is so windy. Wow. God, this is crazy. Oh, the sand is getting in my eyes. It's a freaking sandstorm. I think there's sand in my eyes. I think that's the craziest sandstorm I've been through. It was pushing me so much to the right. I'm trying to see how the guys are doing. Oh my god, this is crazy. The winds are freaking strong. I don't know, guys. This is very sketchy. This is very sketcy how it's acting. I'm fearful for my life. I am fearful for my life. Oh, you freaking wind. Wind! I can barely go! Wow, this is insane! Oh, gotta push through! I know the guys are freaking out too. We're freaking out! This is too much wind! What were we thinking? Just gotta get away from this pocket of wind and we'll be good. Gotta tuck it. Gotta tuck it. Guys, we made it through a sandstorm. Oh my god, it was insane. All the sand. It was the scariest thing I ever rode through. The wind was so strong, pushed my bike to the side, and it was so much dirt in my face. Oh my gosh. Made it home.
Hello again, friend of a friend. I knew you were.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're hosting a ride to Coachella for some food and drinks on Friday, April 12th.
Check the description for more information.
We'll see you guys there.
Hey guys, we're hosting a ride Friday. Fuck!
It's always...
Hey guys, we're hosting a ride to Coachella for some food and drinks Friday, April 12th.
Check out the description down below for all the info for time and meetup. See you guys there.
Oh, that was good, dude. The birds in the background.
Got it. I wonder if you like, if you hide behind the bike and then you pop out and then you're like, for more info, you know, like.
Check the description for more information. Check the description for more information.
We'll see you guys there. I like that one.